Baking powder for dental hygiene, how to use and how often. In this video, we will be sharing with you some vital tips on how best to use baking soda and baking powder for brushing your teeth. What makes baking soda a good cleaning agent? Apart from being a popular leavening agent in baking, baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is mildly abrasive and can help remove surface stains from teeth. It also has natural deodorizing properties, which is why it is sometimes used in toothpaste and mouthwash. Is baking soda toxic? Baking soda is generally safe for dental hygiene when used in moderation. It helps neutralize acidity in the mouth, which can reduce the risk of cavities. However, excessive use can be too abrasive for tooth enamel, leading to erosion over time. It does not cause food poisoning. However, consuming large amounts of baking soda can disrupt the body's pH balance and cause digestive discomfort. How to use baking powder for dental cleaning. Baking powder is not the same as baking soda and is not recommended for dental hygiene. Baking powder contains additional ingredients like cream of tartar and cornstarch, which do not contribute to oral health. How to use baking soda for dental cleaning. As a toothpaste alternative, wet your toothbrush, sprinkle a small amount of baking soda, and brush gently. With coconut oil or xylitol, you can mix baking soda with coconut oil, xylitol, or peppermint oil to create a simple homemade toothpaste. As a mouthwash, dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and rinse your mouth for a fresh feeling. Precautions: do not swallow baking soda while brushing. Do not use baking soda as a replacement for fluoride toothpaste, as it does not protect against cavities. Avoid using it every day. Once or twice a week is sufficient to prevent enamel damage. How often should you brush with baking soda? Dentists recommend brushing your teeth at least twice a day with regular fluoride toothpaste. Baking soda can be used occasionally 1 to 2 times per week for stain removal, but frequent use may lead to enamel erosion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.